Title: Let us fight climate change together. Climate change is the one of the biggest problem in our world today. Our planet is getting hotter because of many actions done by humans. We drive cars every day, burn fuels, and make smokes that goes into the air. Factories also release harmful gases that makes our atmosphere dirty. When we cut trees, we remove the natural protectors of our air. All these things cause the earth to warm faster than before. People sometimes ignore these issues because they think the planet is too big to be harmed. But the truth is, climate change is already happening and we can see the effect everywhere. We must learn about climate change and understand why it's important to protect our environment now, not after. As the earth becomes hotter, we experience many serious problems. The ice caps in the North Poles melt quickly, cause the level to rise. When this happens, many places in the ocean can flood and people may lose their homes and the weather becomes more dangerous and unpredictable. We have stronger typhoons, heavy rains, long and very hot temperature. This disaster destroys houses, farm, and the nature farmer cannot grow enough food, making hunger a big risk. In some places, animals also lose their homes, and the forest may becomes endangered. Air pollution can make people sick and cause breathing problem. Climate change affect everyone people, plants, animals, and the future of our world. We can still take action and make a big chance if we work together. Simple acts like saving water and electricity, using bicycle or walking, and planting more trees can help the earth heal. We should also avoid burning trash and throwing waste everywhere. It's also good to use clean energy like solar and wind power to reduce harmful smoker. Every small act counts when everyone does it. Together we can protect our planet because it is the only home that we have. Let us care for the earth today so we can live in a safe, healthy, and beautiful world in the future.